So it's recording now. So we're looking at the city main, 85 feet out. Coming back from there, you are in. Looks like 6-inch clay.
So you start recording for all the 85 feet?
Yep. Okay. Yeah, this way, like, too, if you have any kind of, like, you know, I pull it back through here slow, and you can watch over this, or if my project lead wants to look at it and, like, just kind of look at your line, he can slow it down and look for any kind of cracks. You know, just these little offsets are all notable. So, like, if you ran a liner, it would just get rid of all those seams, so you wouldn't have any of those issues like you just had where, like, you get root intrusion or you know, the bottom of the pipe washes out and it falls down. It would be, essentially you're getting a new PVC pipe on the inside of this old clay.
So I heard there is a technology, they use a very flexible pipe and getting through your current pipe, and then fill it down and then use kind of a heat, and then this become a new pipe.
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, new flow liner. It's like, it's a little different. It's just adding chemicals and allowing it to set up, but you invert the plastic, so you roll the liner in there with air. So you roll it all the way in.
Yeah, that's
and then
the
you add the
technology
chemicals.
you use?
Yep. You add the chemicals. It sets. You're out of service for 24 hours. And then after it sets, we come in with our camera, make sure everything's good, smooth any kind of little bumps out. We have a little tool that would sand that off and smooth it out, and then you'd be brand new. But that's the option without having to use, since you have this area here, where you're obviously your offset there, another notable offset there. You would have to, I would recommend making a repair here, and then just for peace of mind, if you wanted it, you could line the rest, and then, like I said, that's 20 years of peace of mind. And then we'd be able to get in here too before we lined it and cut all those roots out with. So if we built you a clean out there, we'd be able to clean the whole line with hydrojetting. I can't do that now with my. This is all I can get with the cable. So hydrojetting will just restore your pipe back to 6-inch, and then they'll do a liner if you want to do that route.
I'm just wondering this, how it could block this, because this the roots here.
Yeah, right here is where I'm thinking it blocked, because it's just, if the roots get down a little bit further, and then you get like a piece of toilet paper and the roots are hanging down, toilet paper catches, get some solid waste, and then it kind of backs up and water goes around it, then somebody else adds to it, and then you just get a pile. You know, once you can fill the whole pipe up with toilet paper, then you just start piling on top of that, and it can go out. I've seen people have blockages for 10 feet or more, so 10 feet of pipe filled with toilet paper and solid waste. But I'm not saying that's what you had here, but tie there. Okay, back into plastic here. So at least this is all new. This is great. This all looks good. And again, with the two-way clean out, if you ever had a tenant that was using too much grease or anything on the inside, grease is usually what chokes plastic off the most. You'd be able to send a hydrojetter up this way and just kind of clean out the main. Looks like you got some pretty good tenants, though. I don't see any grease. But you never know what the future holds, man.
Yeah. So maybe the summertime we need to fix this problem.
Yeah, because you're open for now. I'm not going to be able to warranty anything because you have a large offset and you have root intrusion. So I'd be able to warranty a cabling if it was like, you know, just the soft blockage and you guys didn't flush anything in there, I'd be like 60 days. If we don't flush anything, you get a warranty.
Okay.
Actually, if I'm not willing to just warranty this for 60 days, if you do have any issues in 60 days, I would still come out for you
Okay.
and just hook you up.
No charge.
No charge. 60 days. I'll put that in the invoice.
Okay.